Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure litigation strategies with LexisNexis, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the LexisNexis homepage. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, access the litigation section from the main menu. Explore the available resources, including case law, statutes, and legal briefs. Click on Litigation Tools to find helpful features for strategizing. Review legal research options for in-depth case analysis. Utilize the case search tool to identify relevant precedents. Enter keywords or case numbers to refine your search effectively. Once results populate, use filters to narrow down the cases by court, date, or jurisdiction. Select a case that closely aligns with your litigation strategy. Examine the case details for pertinent information such as rulings and opinions. Make use of the Shepherd's feature to check the case's subsequent history. Analyze how similar cases have been treated in different jurisdictions. Next, explore the Brief Analysis tool to assess argument strengths. Review sample briefs that mirror your intended litigation approach. Utilize the Litigation Analytics feature for data-driven insights. Understand trends in litigation outcomes based on historical data. Compile your findings and insights into a comprehensive strategy. Create a detailed action plan based on the information gathered. Finally, save your research and strategies for easy reference. With these steps, you will effectively configure litigation strategies using LexisNexis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.